Santa Ana Park here in Nai, Cavite, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Flores from the outside, and Queen Star by the rail on the farther outside. Don Eduardo's best, and Love and Money moving up on the inside. It's now entry number 2 in the lead, and that is Love or Money. Is Love or Money in the lead, followed by Flores in second, Diamond Dane running in third. On the outside in fourth is Queen Star, and Pumaton Quattro Supra moving up on the outside, and Don Eduardo's best. At the mid-back stretch, it is still Love or Money in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Flores in second, Diamond Dane closing in third, and Queen Star, Pumaton on the further outside, Quattro Supra, Don Eduardo's best. And rounding the far turn, it is still Love or Money by 3.5 lengths, followed by Queen Star in second, and Pumaton moving up, and also moving up on the further outside, Quattro Supra. It is now Pumaton in the lead, followed by Quattro Supra in second. Love or Money, Queen Star moving up on the outside, and Diamond Dane, Don Eduardo's best, and Flores. And into the home stretch, it's Pumaton in the lead, followed by Quattro Supra on the farther outside. Into the home stretch, it is still Pumaton in the lead and Queen Star. And on the farther outside is Quattro Supra. It's Queen Star in the lead, followed by Pumaton on the outside and Diamond Dane. And nearing the payoff line, entry number 4, Queen Star. It's Queen Star, followed by Pumaton. And finally at the payoff line, it's Queen Star, Pumaton, Diamond Dane, Don Eduardo's best, Quattro Supra, Flores, and Love or Money.